Hmm. I wonder if this will go good with it. Can't hurt. It won't hurt to try. No, Thomas, it's not for you. I will fight you. Hmm. Thomas, keep on trying. Take my food. Mm-mm. Mm. Mm. Kind of overpowers it. Maybe if it's more small amounts, like that. Mm. Jeez, okay. It's already. Um. Load. Mm. 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 Yeah. Yeah. Mm. Mm. There's Kamei. Mm. Time. I can take. Oh. Hmm. Didn't expect that. Mm-hmm. Itame. Hey, there is an actual command for lurking. exclamation mark lurk. I can't remember if I had it on. Somebody slice? Can't remember. Yeah, it's all it's all.
Was that sarcasm?
No.
Was that sarcasm?
Yes.
Was that sarcasm?
Stop it!
How are you doing, Slice? You have question, I might have answer.
Was that sarcasm?
No.
Was that sarcasm?
You're trying to use up all your points?
Was that sarcasm?
Stop it!
Was that sarcasm?
I has indeed.
No.
Was that sarcasm?
Yes.
Was that sarcasm?
Stop it!
I bought it as well a while ago, but I couldn't really
sarcasm?
Couldn't really get into the mood to play with it.
Was that sarcasm?
Yes.
Was that sarcasm?
Stop it!
Oh. If it just updated, definitely not.
Was that sarcasm?
No.
Was that sarcasm?
Yes.
Was that sarcasm?
Stop it!
Cute. Hello. To me.
How are you?
Good.
Was that sarcasm?
No.
I'm good.
Was that sarcasm?
Sort of game
Yes.
planned a little bit to try and make
Was
sure
that
I had
sarcasm?
a
Stop it!
chance of surviving on this and not accumulating another skull.
Yeah, I definitely didn't. I haven't played the update 2. Your OBS giving you issues anymore?
I don't. I think I'm actually learning that one a little bit. You know.
Okay. Update 2's different game?
Just gotta.
How different? Like, if you play like 5 minutes of it, then you'll see how different it is? Or is it just some new recipes or altered recipes? I know you were talking about rockets or foundry. Hmm. Oh, alright.
That's weird. The Steam overlay isn't coming up.
Steam overlay?
Yeah, I was using it to join your world.
Ah.
What's your world name?
Um. Creative. Capital
Okay.
C.
Raj. There it is.
Okay, let's see what this link is that he sent me.
There we go.
Oh.
What you got?
Damn. Okay. Oh, a little robot.
Oh, my air tank is low.
Um, the air tank's only used for uh smart canister. It's not. It don't put a
It,
normal canister in it. It'll.
I heard you.
Yeah.
Crap.
What? I have an empty one if you need it. Hmm.
Alright.
You're right there. There you go. Sorry to put the wall
What?
over there. Wall.
Oh, weird. Why am I like
Like what?
oh, thank you. Shadowing because of the light in my pack.
Hmm.
I can like see the shadow of my suit. It's weird.
Oh yeah. Oh, wow, that looks like
Alright. I flopped the other smart canister in there
oh,
for you.
it's thanks to the portable light. That's what.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Looks like a time sink with a scale of Dyson sphere in the hands on detail satisfactory. Uh, Bill watched the video. Oh, right. I gotta figure out what this code is doing. Okay.
Y'all good?
What?
I was just asking if everything was okay.
What do you mean?
Like I was listening to your reactions and thought I heard something was going on. I don't know what is. Well, that's a hole. When's the last time we had a storm?
That is a good question. Geez, that is a lot of robots. I'm sure it's robot parts as well, like body, head, arm, leg. Yeah. Crystal. Yeah. Or hmm. Setting.
Oh, that's a weird little glitch. I was trying to look at my mood and it was like bouncing all over the place.
Oh yeah. Hmm. Ah, okay. London color you've unlocked so far. That is quite a large map, or space map. Mm,
Dog, stop. Of course not. Of course. Why would they listen to me?
hmm.
Okay. How's my oxygen critical when I have the smart canister on?
You have filters. You're gonna need like oxygen filter, nitrogen filter, carbon dioxide filter, and NOS filter.
I can't do all four of those filters
Mm. Mm.
with this suit.
I'd say you can go without not the oxygen one.
No, oxygen kills your lungs.
Wait, there's only like 0.01%
Oh, okay.
or something.
Gotcha.
More percentage of the
So,
ones.
all right, I'm gonna shoot. You said nitrogen and CO2.
Yeah, nitrogen and CO2.
I'm gonna make a couple medium if you don't mind,
Okay.
because this guy is like sucking air already.
Yeah. Mm.
That helped immediately.
Hmm?
Nitrogen helped immediately.
Oh, yeah. Hmm. Hmm. So it goes to out name, which it could be this one. Switch this one to name. Hmm.
Okay, so that's your base there. The beacon is
Hmm.
magic, right?
Yeah. So it's getting.
Yeah, there's a nice hill over here.
Hmm.
Maybe that's a little too close still.
For one. For one. For one. Four. So it's jumping to here. Hmm. So it's not getting to this. It's literally jumping right off the bat right here. Hmm.
I have found the hobbit hole.
Huh?
I have found the hobbit hole. It's a tiny little berm.
Okay.
I'm just gonna dig down.
Alrighty. Hmm. Hmm. So why is it right there? It's not less. Export. Or one. Yeah, this is weird. Well, actually. Hmm. Divisor equals greater. Oh no. RPMs is going faster. Albeit very slowly. Hmm. Huzzah.
What are we cheering, my friend?
Code I'm definitely gonna end up having to change next time it cycles for the cluster centrifuge. Because always seems to be the problem. Fix one thing, another problem comes up.
For sure.
Yeah.
Stationeer's way.
Yep.
You don't play this game because you like things easy. Well, now I'm debating why I didn't grab a generator, but whatever.
Oh, yeah.
It's alright, I can make do. I'm sure. You alright?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hmm. Hmm.
Maybe ending up adding another skull to the pile. That's not good.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna try not to, but I also don't want to rely on you guys anymore, you know what I mean?
Yeah. So, what do you think is going to cause a death?
First thing, possibly power.
Uh.
Like normal on Europa.
Yeah. No, I suppose. Oh, is power for your suit?
Yeah. I got plenty of batteries I should be able to swap around.
Yeah, you got tool batteries.
And now that I'm getting going on this, if the storms could hold out until I get these solar panels in close, that would be great.
Yeah.
Odds of that actually happening? Nah.
And it just like storms right now.
Well, luckily I don't have them up there yet.
The second you play some, they'll storm. Okay.
That's probably accurate. Oh, never mind. I got plenty of batteries. I picked up all those little batteries off your floor for you.
Yeah. Hmm.
I mean, I can definitely throw them in APCs for now. Stuff like that. Wow, I was a goober the way I actually packed this.
So, measure lithium alloys yield. Hey,
Yes. Is this the one that had it? There it is.
shouldn't this be alginate?
What's the hotkey for the glasses again? Is
Two?
it G? Two? Oh, okay. No way I got it that. Damn, that is awesome. Okay, cool. Using the T-race to figure out where I dropped my main power line, and I'm gonna try and make it sort of the hidden connection.
Hmm. Mm. Hmm. Found out name. No. It definitely has to be coffee. Hmm. 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 Would explain. And the reason why. reason why that. Ah. Yeah, the reason why is because the name is not existent, so it doesn't know where to go. Yeah. Sure. So, oh, range of man. Number, then two. Yeah, let's try this. I think that will work. Come on, 280. Damn it. Why are we still Hmm. Hmm. Shrouded. Not equal. So if name is not equal this. Two. New. Wait, no. And, zero. Sleep one. Oblivion. Movie. Not equals. One does not equal R2, then it'll do this. Otherwise, JR. Yeah, 3. So, 1, 2, 6, 9, 10, 4. Export. Oh, man. It's 977 kPa, which is greater than 400 kPa.
Oh, he's dying, he's dying, he's dying.
That memory is state 1, so we can go past.
Did I forget pipes? Like just insulated pipes? Are you shitting me? No. Okay, good. is.
Which does mean that this is set to 0, no? Till it's below 400 kb.
Hey, dude, Quickso, how you doing? Angel Bug, how are you doing? Sorry about that.
Hmm.
Okay.
Change state, yeah. And it's still not letting it go through.
Wow.
Is the thing.
Okay, he's still gonna be huffing and puffing for a while because I let his health get down to 10.
Oh, damn.
I had to get an airlock real quick, vacuum it out so I could eat.
Uh, the hell? Uh, okay, I guess I'm gonna change this up then. It sure doesn't seem to want to work. Okay, let's see. Mm, Bridge. Less than. Spiros less than 500. That's gonna be the goal. Yes. Otherwise, mm, that's abroad. Um, yeah. Zero. Bridge. Nine. Zero. Mm. Uh, change and that's not it. Memory. Okay.
I cannot find my heavy coils anywhere. The
Huh. You use them all?
no way. That's okay. I'll figure it out. I'll just have to for now, I guess.
Yeah. Um, only when it's equal to 0, then we'll jump to here, or it'll get to here. should simply be span one, and then it could just continue.
Maybe that's what happened. Gale force winds inside of my base from drilling.
Perhaps. Pressure. Oh, wait. Will be and out and B equals 0. R2 equals 0, then they'll jump to turn off. So, wait. Otherwise, that here is. Oh. Wait to respawn timeout. Wonder what that was about.
Good question.
Threw a bunch of like errors.
I have to do it this way for now. That's sucks. Oh well. I gotta get my base up and going.
Ooh. They changed it. Come on, what? Hmm. Nothing changed. Huh.
Well, actually, I only have 9. They shouldn't overburden that coil, so that's fine.
Mm. I did something like that. It doesn't even turn it off. What?
Wow, my basic, my plan is not coming together as thought.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I feel like I'm spinning my gears, you know what I mean? I'll get it though.
Well, I know that this one damn pump just doesn't want to turn on with the code.
That's about a bitch.
Yeah. Like, all the other code works. Like, when it changed variables. Like, changes the name and all that. Pressures, temperature. For all the other tanks. Or to do the other tanks. It works for those. Just doesn't want to work on this NOS tank.
Yeah.
There's no NOS in it. Pressure is above the low end, which I have set as 500 kPa. It is 895 kPa. Then it tests or checks the the same tank name, so dirty NOS tank it checks the memory for that to see if it's
Okay.
state 0. It is.
Right.
And when it wasn't, it was on 1, but the code, it knew that the tank is greater than 800 kPa,
Okay.
and the the same name memory that was at 1, so immediately it just jumped to where it changes the state to that memory to 0.
Interesting.
So then, and then it goes to change variables to rescan all the other tanks. Then once it comes
Right.
back, it's like, hey, it's 0. I should be able to pump out now. And so it'll load the output tank's memory, see if it's a 1, which it is. And
Okay.
since it is, that's all the checks that it does, and it should write to the tank, pump the output tank's pump to turn it on. It doesn't. Yeah, and like the pump's name is the exact same name as the tank. The connection to the data cable is on.
Damn, man. I hate it when that.
Yeah.
Let's see if I can get some good solar power going before I end up wearing out all my batteries.
Hmm.
I'll eventually need to vacuum seal these, but for now, while I'm trying to get this thing going,
Is it that?
oh, I was worried about that.
Got it. It would help if I was writing to the correct name. I was using the current tank's name instead of the out tank's name.
I got you.
Which thankfully it was the NOS one, because the NOS is input pump, so it's name tank. It doesn't actually have a data connection to on that cable for, because I'm using a
Oh,
different chip that would
yes.
fill it.
Sometimes no variable is better than the alternative, I guess.
Yeah. Well, the alternative was it adds more gas to the.
And of course, I don't have a daylight sensor because I'm a jackass. That's
Um, I can't believe you're going with solar.
it's just small amount to get me going.
It
Really?
it's like, I don't know. Isn't it like 10 watts or 50 watts per
No,
solar panel
no. It's like 220
on Europa?
on your rope.
Oh, well, I suppose
It's not great.
the Jupiter being in the way.
Yep. Yep. That's also a big problem.
I know the starting kit we actually had wind turbines.
Yeah. No, if I put you there, you include that, and it can't have that.
Okay, it is below 500 and it turned it up. Okay. And then it should write the memory state 1. Yep, good.
Do you mind if I run over and charge some batteries real quick?
I don't mind.
Thank you.
I have power to spare. I didn't know if you'd know that.
Oh, I know. I'm just trying to be courteous and make sure,
Yeah, yeah. Let's see. Wait a minute, that I want.
Okay, that's my sleeper. That's got to go over here somewhere. And that's array
This.
maintenance.
Now I just need a system to pump in, or IC chips to pump in. Uh, I'll go remove these things. Well, it's just the one. Wait, no. No, 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 no. It's these as well. Confirm. Play Minecraft at all?
I have played Minecraft.
Not for a while.
Yeah, I like building auto farms and stuff like that,
Ah.
but
On
um,
or any modded?
vanilla. I do mod it every now and then. Yeah. I like modded. Depends on the mods, of course. There was one mod that you could build like an automated charcoal farm that would generate power for itself and your base.
Power Forge.
And it was like it, it was a weird train thing that would literally steam around and cut the trees and plant the trees.
Huh,
It was funny.
interesting.
There was another one that was similar, but instead of a train, it just had like a block mechanic called a forester that would eat the trees and build pollution as it did.
Ooh. I think that's the mod Mage was telling me about. Where, what you do
You can get all sorts of
in
random shit
the
from the
world,
pollution.
like, affects the environment. Yeah.
Yeah.
Um, well, the one I've been playing recently and well, still have been. Uh, it's called Create 2 Mechanism. What is it? Sky Edition 2.
Okay. I've heard of it. I don't think I've played that one. If that makes sense.
Yeah. I'm working on chapter or that mod pack changes a ton of recipes.
Yeah.
Um
There's a few of them like that.
like nearly all of create recipes have been changed.
I'm heading into the right room.
Oh, hello.
Hello. That's your breathing room, yes?
Yes.
Okay.
I just got in here. uh
Oh, stop.
did you turn on your glasses?
Huh? They should be off.
Oh, I heard like glasses kind of sound, but no. It's imagination.
The glasses tweeting?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're definitely off. The battery is dead.
Mm. Yeah,
Oh,
the
let's not
mod
forget.
pack I'm working on chapter 5, which is getting printed circuits for
Oh, nice.
yeah. Eh,
I'm
hmm?
I haven't really played with the mods since, oh gosh. What was that one big update where they like crushed so many mod packs?
Crushed as in made it no longer work.
Yeah,
Hmm.
I don't remember. Anyway, yeah, I haven't played a lot with mods since then.
Uh,
There was one I really used to like called Tinker's Construct.
ooh, yeah. It actually has it. The one I'm on.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Switch that nuke battery.
The weird foundry thing.
Yeah. Um.
Are you upgrading all your APCs to nukes?
No, I'm just using those to charge my batteries.
Oh, that makes sense.
They
That
charge
makes sense.
faster.
For sure. You charging these ones?
No, I didn't put those in there. You did.
I oh uh
You can take.
maybe when I was here before.
You can take the larges. Yeah.
Roger that. I appreciate it.
Yeah. No problem. Right. That's right. IC chips. Housing. Electrum solder. Electrum. Guessing solder is in this. Yeah. 1, 2.
I was thinking about making a small room kind of like its own airlock for a breathing room. Using maybe a larger power vent for it.
Oh.
Just instantly dump the atmosphere or bring it in if you need to.
Yeah. Jeez, my inventory's pretty full. I don't really need the tracker anymore. Don't use that. Electronic parts, no, I need that. No more of that. Let's go with those flares. You want another solar panel?
Sure.
There.
Spare.
Yeah, Chapter 4, I'd say, is actually harder than Chapter 5 for that mod pack.
Makes sense.
Is you have to fight the Wither
Oh god.
in order because you need a beacon.
Oh. Oh, there was one. I'm trying to remember the name of it. It was a long time ago, and you had to kill the Wither a couple times to get the good storage systems.
Hmm.
And the storage systems were like powered driver data banks. They were weird.
Okay. Oh yeah, Chapter 4.
Mhm.
Which I got done like last night. I can finally build or make building gadgets.
Nice.
Yeah, that is going to be so nice to have.
Oh yeah. Did you ever play around with the Thaumcraft?
It doesn't sound familiar.
You could have little clay golem butlers with top hats and bow ties.
Ooh,
And if you really want to make them fancy, I think they even had like an ocul.
okay.
And it's like the golems you would assign really simple tasks like moving stuff from one area to another.
Hmm. So
But
like,
you had to be really high up in
copper
Thaumcraft to do
golem.
that. I've never seen the. I haven't seen it.
Uh,
Sounds like it though.
yeah, it pulls from
Sounds.
one chest, no, a copper chest, and then it sorts it into the nearest 10 chests.
Yeah. Very similar.
Hmm.
I think I liked what about most about the Tinker's construct was the ability to just like melt everything down and make big old blocks at a time.
Yeah. When I did Stone Block 3, I believe, I used Tinker Construct to smelt down all the ores that wouldn't alloy, and just turn it
Yeah.
into blocks and send it into a drawer controller.
Nice.
Yeah.
Did you ever do the
Oh,
piston porkless?
it's Storm.
Ooh, I hope my stuff is safe. Oh, I'm gonna need some duct tape.
Your wait, piston porkless,
Yeah, piston porkless, vanilla style.
vanilla stuff.
Vanilla style, yeah. So you use pistons underneath something like gravel or sand to push the portcullis up and then fall back into place.
Portcullis.
Yeah, castle gates.
Oh, those.
Portcullis, portcullis.
Yeah, I've seen them. I don't think I've made it my own. My like nearly all my like experience with vanilla redstone was bedrock as well as command blocks. That's been bedrock as well. Made a two-person like puzzle game inspired by We Were Here Together series. I don't know if you heard of that.
I don't think so.
In Redstone, I was working on tic-tac-toe AI computer thing with Redstone. As well as I don't know if you've I think it's Hermitcraft season 6 or something that they made a
Okay.
Redstone shop like Mumbo. I think it's Iskal and Grian.
Yep.
Yeah. I made a Redstone shop that was inspired by that. So it loads shulker boxes. It also has like 1x or 2x or 3x or 4x like purchase like bulk purchase sort of thing. Yeah. Oh, with command blocks, I also made a random maze generator, and I was actually working on making it as a 3D one.
There was one that they had a long time ago that I absolutely adored. That was a um a gear that you could move frame blocks. And like if you connected the framing blocks right, it could move the whole frame that the blocks were attached to.
Hmm. Oh, you mean like slime block flyers?
Much like slime block flyers, except for there was like depositors and breakers that would break the blocks as you moved if you needed them to, or there were just like similar worm gear drives to the slime blocks.
Hmm. I don't recall that.
You could make a 9 by 9 cube that flew in all 6 directions and would break blocks down to bedrock.
Ooh.
Only problem is if you let it get covered in lava, it kind of breaks.
Uh,
Kind of gets stuck for a while until you release it.
I'm sure there's got to be like some sort of like an updated version or something that prevents that.
I just threw water down the hole, honestly.
Oh, it's only lava that causes a problem. It's not just anything flowing.
Nope, just the lava.
Oh, why?
I have no idea.
Yeah, I will say that is weird that only affects it.
Yeah. Did you ever play around with some of the nuclear craft mods?
Nuclear craft.
There was one that you could
What,
build
like,
a
uh, something reactors?
yep.
I
Reactors mods.
I don't know what it's called though.
There was something large reactors.
Ooh, that sounds familiar actually.
And you could create these big magnetic rings that were they were multi-part blocks in and of themselves, and they wouldn't look like the ring until you solidified it. And then you had to turn them at all just the right angle in order for the collider to work properly.
Ooh, I didn't get into that.
And it was something like 106 across or some stupid number like that.
I do remember seeing like a Minecraft video with just a really big square, and
I
it's like a plus, like if you cut it in like a cross section, it's like a plus sign, but with an open end or open middle.
right.
Yeah, I am sure to let the particles go through.
If you get it right, you actually see the pulses running through the particle collider. It's kind of funny.
Hmm.
Oh,
It was disappointing that all the mods pen didn't have Tinker's Construct.
yeah.
And the person I was playing with, Puma, uh, I'm like asked him, "Hey, is there a Tinker's Construct?" And he did some quick searches, and it's just like, there's a like a horrible knockoff version of Tinker's Construct,
Um,
and it didn't even have the smeltery.
what?
Yeah, it just had like tool templates, and then you just put materials for it into the crafting table, and then put like two or three of them together in order to make the tool.
Okay.
Yeah. Silent Gear. That's the name of that mod pack. Or well, no, not mod pack, but mod.
Gotcha.
Another mod quite enjoyed playing until uh it became unplayable because the mod itself is just really laggy.
Yeah.
Big tech.
I don't think I played that one, to be fair.
Well, it's not a mod pack. It's just a mod.
Gotcha.
Yeah. Just everything is just a multi-block.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah. I like
Some of those get
I like that.
some of those get crazy.
Yeah. But the Greg Tech mod itself is just laggy, so
Yeah.
I
That
didn't even
sounds
come
like one that was
close.
in a lot of the Wolf Tech mod packs.
Mm.
I didn't play a lot of his mod packs because they were laggy as fuck.
Mm.
Did you ever play the Twilight Forest mod?
I was in the Twilight Forest, yes. But before.
That damn multi-block snake thing in the ruins?
Naga.
Yeah. That was crazy.
Hmm. Let's see.
I am fucked.
Oh.
Everything that was in my base is gone.
Oh no. Like that.
Like there must have been a micro hole somewhere in the wall and the storm ripped it up.
Yikes. Well, I suppose you can't actually use the tablet to decide or see if it's a room because it doesn't have like walls all over.
Right.
Yeah.
There's the gap. Son of a bitch.
Up above the door.
Yeah.
Well, I guess you're coming back to remake that crate, I guess.
I do not want to do that to you. I'm feeling like shit right now. I'm just burning through your resources. I mean, granted, you're collecting them very easily, and I understand that. That's not my problem.
How about oh my gosh, really?
I'm so upset with myself. Oh man.
So were you at your base during the storm or were you just here the entire
I was over there during the storm, and I just got back to fix the solar panels and everything because I was there charging my batteries.
uh
And there was a gap above the airlock, so the door didn't actually seal it.
in that crate got destroyed?
Yeah, the
'Cause it's
crate,
still
everything,
on the
everything
ground.
that was loose on the floater, even my food, I'm fucked.
Damn.
My food, my water bottles.
Yeah.
I am not happy with myself on this save. I keep on screwing up.
That's completely fine. No, I suppose
You know what?
what?
Arc furnace auto lathe generator.
That's what you're settling for?
That's it. That's all I get.
Oh yeah. Uh, and you just fly over here whenever you need food or water.
Until I can get it fixed, I guess.
Yeah. Or until you get like a little itty bitty greenhouse.
Itty beetle.
Itty bitty.
Okay, so there's your drills. There's your nitrous line. Nitrous line goes from your breathing house. Your fabs are on the other side.
Okay.
I'm starting to learn your base.
Yeah.
It's got mile markers.
What base doesn't?
Truth.
Mm-hmm. Mm. Well, let's just start real simple. Where tank, define home, define man, fine.
Just make him starve to death over and over and see how many skulls I rack up. This is what you get for allowing your base stuff to get destroyed.
Yeah. So
And you still owe Luck a disco floor.
so that crate being on the ground, that still did damage to it?
Yeah.
Uh
If it's not mounted, it'll do damage.
oh, okay. So it's counted as an item if it's not a log.
Yeah. And anything that's in it just automatically vanishes. It doesn't drop.
Ooh. So it would have been better for you to just take all your items out, kinda.
It would have been better for me to have a kit locker and get there and put the kit locker up and throw them all in it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hindsight.
Mm, no. Yes. Define. Oh,
Then again, if he respawns, he might respawn in his underwear.
ooh.
We'll see. I deserve at least one death for that. I spent how many hours last stream trying to make sure that this wouldn't happen, and here I am.
Yeah.
Speaking of which, do you have my skull from the last death?
I put it into Mage's base.
Ah, Mage has the skull lockers.
Yep.
Gotcha.
Dirty nothing. I'm not gonna type all that out. Turbo. Copy. There. Okay. Oh man. Zoom. Launch name. 0. Launch. 0. Alien 1 T class name pressures then turn on this.
There's all your miners.
Nos. Okay. No, it's not Nos name. Just this. Control C. Control V. Otherwise, SVN. Nos name. 1 1. Check. Oh. Turn off notch. Medium. SBN. Notch name on 0. Check all. Check all. Name on J. Check notch. Oh. Name. There. Confirm. Export.
Well, you should have thought about your hydration before you broke all your stuff.
Ooh.
I was just being silly.
You also have no water.
Yeah, I broke everything.
Ah.
I've got like a water bottle on me. I've got an empty one from when I went over there. Or two.
Mm.
Let's see.
Is it in this one, I think?
Oh, you know what I don't have though? I don't have plastic sheets. That's okay. I've got things to make those now.
Nice.
Think about how you're gonna get through it, not how the problem is working. Right?
Yeah. Hmm. I can't remember if you seen what happened with Magic on his first death.
No.
He lost all his printers.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah, so he came over to my place and remade his printers.
Gotcha. That's why there's the running joke. Gotcha.
Of what?
Oh, magic curse.
Oh.
one of those moments where the game goes, ah, you had a plan, huh? Fuck you.
Yeah. We'll say, lo and behold, code I just made didn't work. Zero, turn off NOS. Yeah. And, that would help. If I actually had it the correct name.
Okay, at least I put that little transformer over there so I can borrow it for a little bit.
Borrow what?
I put a little transformer for demanding power to an APC for my solar array,
Uh,
and it was all set up to be programmed and everything when I went over to charge up my batteries.
okay.
But I can use that as a way of drawing from the battery to the APC right now, because I need that power to go lower than that battery will normally tolerate.
Okay.
Because I don't want to pop those little lines, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Let's see, we'll just use it as a limiter for now. I will still need one piece of heavy coil to jump it to the transformer, but that's okay.
Mm.
There's that. Oh shoot, I cannot make iron sheets or plastic sheets yet.
Oh. Why is that?
Because I can make silicone and iron ingots.
So you gotta go mining. That's what you're saying.
No. I'm saying without iron sheets or plastic sheets, you can't make printers.
Okay. Hmm. Mhm.
Man, this is craziness.
What?
Repeating the same mistakes over and over. Definition of insanity.
Mm. Um. Uh. Would a pressure regulator be enough? Or even a normal volume? What you looking for? Hello?
Huh?
You looking for something?
Just breathability for a minute.
Uh. Mm-hmm.
Two plastic sheets, two iron sheets, and a few coils in order to be able to make my printer and keep her.
Okay. Oh, damn, okay. Hmm. Does the configuration cartridge say how much power it's using? Oh, it does. Hmm. Yeah, I'll just leave it at that. Do that. Hmm. Do a little bit of this. That. Okay. Now gonna need more heavy cables. Did you print a speaker?
No.
Oh, you used electro.
Yeah, I used it and I switched over to the speaker from I think the solid fuel generator while I was making it.
Ah,
If you swap
I was like, wait,
recipes, it won't
aren't you?
print.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, but I checked the arrows first, and it was like solid gen and Sterling. I'm like, pretty sure you said that you had a solid gen already.
No, that was the one I needed
Ah, okay.
as backup power for the solar because they're not gonna do much considering I can't align them at this point.
Yeah.
You know, if I would stop looking for my base at night, that would probably help.
What you should really focus on is actually uh
Breathable atmosphere and
well,
a sleeper.
more like when you're traveling from my base to your base, you should uh
Look at the
look at the angle,
uh
yeah.
compass. Yeah.
So then you know, hey, when it's dark, I head in this direction.
I had lucked out 3 times in a row and thought I had it, and now I'm realizing I didn't. There it is.
And it's not volume pump, pressure regulator. This one would be a pain to do. Uh, not as much as a pain, but that I thought. I'll try 2 megapascal. Hmm. Pressure regulator. Hmm. Well, there's that then. Put in additional valve, pressure regulator. Valve, pressure regulator. Volume pump, pipe analyzer. There. Okay. Mm-hmm. This one. Yep. How long until this goes off? I think in about an hour. Okay. So by the end of this stream, I can go check, or a little bit before the end of the stream, I can check the combustion centrifuges, see if it actually works now.
Nice.
Um. hmm, hmm. Hello, Thomas. Where do you have the your portable light in?
In my backpack.
Try putting it in the jumpsuit.
Okay.
Tell me if the
Jumpsuit.
shadow disappears.
Oh, that makes it so much better.
Ahaha.
It's even brighter.
Yeah. I like how where you had it before, it looked like you had like a creepy clown face or
Skeleton. Yeah.
something. With a big button nose.
Yeah, it was pretty gnarly. That's for sure.
Everyone can see where you're staring at because you just cast a shadow.
Okay, let's move a bunch of these batteries because I'm about to use them.
Uh, um, on that mod pack I'm playing, or I've been playing.
Yeah.
Um, uh, so where I'm at now for stage or chapter 5, I just need to make 3 small smelteries. One for melting Certus quartz, one for melting diamonds, and one for melting gold.
Okay.
Then I can pour it into a mold to get like the printed circuit thing, but then it also has to
Right.
be uh not it's not crafted. I believe it's that create hand thing deployer
Okay. Yeah.
onto oh, that's just wind particle or air particles from the room. Okay. Um onto the printed silicon one.
Right.
Um
I'm,
uh,
I'm glad Rocketworks fixed the tech lenses to where they actually remove the cubes now. Before the multiplayer wouldn't update, you'd have to reload.
rem oh, the oh, okay. I didn't know that.
That was a long time ago, though. They fixed a lot.
Well, once in a while I see, like, whenever 2 nodes try and spawn in on the same spot, and when you mine
Sure.
that, only one of them disappears.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then there's also nodes that, like, the actual ore spot is a bit of ways away from the actual cube.
Right.
So, yeah. Okay. For that printed silicon one, I am 1 step away from having it.
Jeez.
Yeah. Uh, what I had to do was craft sand into sandstone because there's no EMC value for sandstone.
Cool. Cool.
Then bulk wash it to make something else, and then cut it with the create slicer thing.
Right.
Then I had to sieve it with a netherite mesh,
Right.
and then I get that's it for the sand one. Then it's the other part for the silicon. It's like a just like a mix sort of thing, and then you just smelt the
Sure.
mix or whatever to get the silicon circuit or whatever. But the other side is coal, so you smelt the coal again, like in a furnace. Then you wash or put the result into a basin of water, and then mix it with that mechanical mixer.
Okay.
And then you send that to a deployer that has sandpaper. Then you send that to uh, it's that weird recipe where it does multiple, like normal create, where you have that precision mechanism that you have to
Right.
do it the same 3 different actions like 4 times or something.
Okay.
But instead it's 2 times for the result of the last part. It's yes, slice it, then douse it with water, then slice it and douse it with water again.
Oh, jeez.
And that's the other half of the silicon mix. And then you put the sand one and the coal one into the basin with a mechanical press. And you get the silicon mix, and then I got to like do whatever it is to get the printed silicon out of that.
Right.
Yeah.
Have you played Satisfactory at all?
Yeah. Me, Mage, Magic, we were all playing
okay.
Satisfactory, and then we switched to Stationeers before beating it. Like
I just got it.
pretty close. Oh yeah.
Yeah. I played it a little bit last night. It looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Collected a couple slugs, shit like that.
Oh yeah. Let's see. Suppose it's time to work on the
Oh, that's uranium. That's not something I need.
uranium fever.
Um, crap.
Now, where do I want the greenhouse?
Isn't that always the question? How big of a greenhouse are you going?
I'm probably gonna go with the maybe 13 by 13
Jesus.
by 2.
That's some big time farming.
I think that was actually the exact size of my moon one, or planned size of my moon one.
Okay.
But I on the moon save, I was nowhere near making enough or like processing it fast enough.
Sure.
Suppose I could put it like right up above my livable space. Um, 11, 13. So this goes to 9. 10, 12, 13. Damn, okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13. It goes past the airlock on the printer side.
Oh Jesus.
Yeah. Hmm. Well, maybe I shouldn't have it here. There's a lot more that goes into making an air or greenhouse faster. Hmm. Waiting for the like little shower icon to disappear.
Right? That's always a pain in the butt.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't use small coil to feed the battery through that generator. Uh-huh.
Uh,
Glad I thought about that.
20 kilowatts. Well,
That was almost a big oof.
unless you use a
Trans.
transformer, yeah. Though you'd like waste a lot of power.
Huge.
Hmm. Where
Cheers there.
do I want this? Potentially come more this way?
Of course, I come in here with a great game plan and I fuck it all up with the storm. Like, I had micro rooms all planned out on grid paper.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Like a 2x2 breathing room that should handle all my atmospherics and even give a little room for an extra player if need be.
Hmm.
That one might have been a little tight. I might have underestimated the sleeper on that one.
Yeah.
Probably gonna bump that up to a 2x3 room.
Always a pleasant surprise when you forget the printer was printing stuff.
Oh god. Either a pleasant surprise or a total waste of resources.
Eh, I'm gonna use it eventually.
That's a good theory.
Just gonna let this print out the last full stack. Yeah, the nice thing about Europa is that ices won't melt.
Right. Right. So I'm using some lockers right now to stash some stuff so I can get going and
Yeah.
turn this around.
Let's see. I wanted to try. Oh,
Man, I need a new dab pen.
new tab pen.
Dab. It's marijuana.
Ah, ogre. Invar.
I work the industry. It kills probably about, I'd say, 5 out of 12 medications that I should take.
Hmm.
I don't recommend it for everyone. I think everyone needs to know their own medicines.
Yeah.
But for me, certain strains work really well.
Okay.
And one of the beasts of marijuana is that your tolerance can become really high really quick,
Mm.
especially with all the concentrates and shit that they do now.
Yeah. As if I know what they do.
Concentrate is like there's only like this small amount of stuff on the outer um, flower called trichomes. And that's what you're really looking for. That's where all the terpenes are held. That's where all the goodness is, right? So what a lot of companies will do is they will freeze the flower to make those trichomes brittle and then wash it in freezing cold water to break those trichomes off.
Hmm.
And you get like, I don't know, probably about 20 to 30% return on depending on how good at it you are.
Okay.
But the potency goes from like teens and 20s to like 50s and 70s.
Hmm.
I've been doing it for a little.
Yeah.
Like working the job, I mean. One thing that kills me always is whenever corporations get a hold of something good, they always ruin it.
Oh.
So, like,
Ooh.
what's a good example? Some of the companies around here like to sort of rush the maturing process of the plant,
Hmm.
and it degrades the quality of the product.
Okay. I suppose they want to rush the plant so they get more.
Plants, yeah.
Yeah.
Squeeze that extra growth cycle into the year.
They don't want a huge like greenhouse, like climate controlled. They can just grow all year.
Oh no, they do that too.
Oh.
They are very particular about how much power goes into the plants and how much that like costs.
Hmm.
Okay, there's a little bit of copper. Maybe I can actually save myself now. Don't yet have steel, but I guess that could be made possible fairly quickly.
Hmm.
Okay, so that's vendor, printer, tools. You don't get to worry about your hunger. You lost that right.
Need more heavy cables.
Okay. Well, I mean, at least if I really want to play shuffle the batteries, I can do so.
Yeah.
I've got an APC and a battery with some charge.
Nice.
Oh my God. What did I do? All right.
You had such
Yeah,
a nice kit set up.
I did. I did. And I still owe you, I don't care. A 9 reinforced tile disco panel with all of the lights going in all the colors. The generator again.
I can ride this.
I mean, is there ever a doubt?
A little.
Okay, not on this end. To be fair, I've seen you coding, and I'm not there.
Oh.
My codes are still very clunky compared to yours.
Oh yeah.
It's the only way I really know how to code.
Oh, do you still use the screws?
No, I use the name batch and all that, but like I stay away from branch relatives if I can help it. A few other commands that would probably make my life easier.
Yeah. Wait. You avoid branch relatives?
If I can help it, yeah.
Yikes.
I agree. Don't get me wrong. I know it's not necessarily right.
I fucking pressed the M button, think that as if there was a map.
If you can maybe get us the hide vendor, maybe. Nice. Nope, not even. Not yet. That is not gonna make enough steel. So I'm gonna have to go out for more iron.
The one word that you, or the one phrase you'll never hear me say again. And this,
I need more iron.
you have to mine it again.
Right. Excuse me.
What's your longest world save?
Now,
Before
probably
the,
my
reset or whatever. Like,
oh god, I had one that we had going for me and a guy named Frizy who used to stream this game. We had going for I don't know, 4 months, 5 months. I that's right when the rockets happened, and then I sort of fell out of it.
Uh,
Make that. I guess steel is needed for any insulated, so I do need it.
yep. Won't be able to live without it. Probably should have had more ogres. Using them to flatten out an area. The greenhouse.
You know, I hear what you're saying with that, but I've used ogres to that end, and they're honestly not worth it compared to the heavy mining drill.
You sure about that?
The setup and the setup for the shoots, if you want to save the resources and things like that.
Just grab them. Grab the resources.
That's true.
Eh. It's surface mining. It's not like underground mining.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Yeah. We're just flattening out the surface.
Yep. Slightly different than I thought. Sorry.
No problem. Ogre. Need more electrum. Oh, I actually need a smelt or an electrum. Suppose use most of the gold that I have. Nah, there's 3 stacks of gold. No, just use them all. A little bit of this. Electrum. Ah, it's silver. I was thinking copper. At least I had 3 stacks of silver as well. So we're gonna make 3,000 electrum. Should be enough for a while. I know the plan for on this Europa run will be to have like completely automated like advanced furnace.
For sure.
I already got the like reading I already have the code that reads from a dial and a button or switch
Okay.
or whatever. So the dial selects what alloy it is, but the switch says go ahead. That this is the one I want.
Right.
Um, then it goes, reads the pressures and temperatures settings for that alloy, and it just auto smelts it. The alloy.
Gotcha.
It in order to get the alloy, it depends on you doing the correct amount of math for the ores.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I have seen them. I don't know if you've ever seen them like this, where it's more of a like I don't know, 1 or 2 chip recipe set, and like it orders from the distribution system.
Mm. Well, I know.
That's what I'm gonna probably try and go
Yeah, yeah. It's gonna be like, hey, give me 3 stacks of iron ingots and 10 stacks of coal ore
for. Right, right.
to make steel. It's gonna, yeah, they're gonna do that. All the math is gonna be according to 500 gram size for the because most of the ingots are that.
You could do a selection process for that as if you wanted to.
Yeah. Wait, for what? Like
For
bringing in the ores, you mean?
yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
usually you'd
That's what
have
I'm
to
gonna
do it.
have. I'm gonna code that.
Usually, I've seen most people do it through the dispensers, but there's multiple ways to do it, I'm sure.
Okay. And then I
And the
also
dispensers just make a good call buffer,
ah dispenser.
like the vending machines.
Oh, that. Yeah.
I've seen a lot of people, they'll park like a vending machine in front of their SD hopper, and the SD hopper is just set to open into the vending machine like a big buffer.
Okay.
and then the vending machine is what you're reporting to give you all of the stuff.
Yeah.
All right, let's see if we can actually do this. That's plenty of iron. Let's go.
So, electrum. It's the pressure. And there's all the electrum. The ogre doesn't stack all the ores. Jeez, how far did this ogre get? Oh. You say something?
No. I was just using your base as a way to find mine. Had to jump up and scout you real quick. Looking for your light.
Yeah.
Okay, well, we might be able to save this. Kind of doubt certain things, but yeah, I've been wrong about a lot of stuff, so
Yeah, like your plan.
like my plan.
Your intricate plan you had.
I spent like 20 minutes over at my buddy's house today drawing that out, and then I fucked it up.
Ah. Well, you could still build it.
Oh no doubt, no doubt. I'm in work on it. I just have to do it differently than I had anticipated, you know?
Mm. Oh yeah, because you don't have all the supplies. Yeah.
Oh, that was entertaining. The damn hydraulic pipe bender picked up the first sheet, even though it's not built.
I just really wanted to help the printer out.
I have no water and no food. I is gonna die. Yeah, haven't fired off a lick of silicone. That'll get me killed.
Have you seen like Draconic Evolutions? What they've done with their armor?
Oh my god, they are so good.
You must
That,
not have
what?
seen the recent.
Where am I? Probably not.
It's basically they just slapped a diamond on your chest and that's it.
Oh no. Really?
Yeah,
Oh,
no cool designs anymore.
that's saddening.
Yeah. I don't know why they'd ever do that. Like all the models
Yeah.
I've seen. They just look so cool.
And we're out of power. Awesome. Okay, how do I manage this? I immediately go to clipping out you because you do me no good now. Go grab a heavy coil so I can put some power on that battery. And I'm dead. Let's see what respawn does. Yay! Thank Lord for emergency suits.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's the beacon. That means I have to run past his base. to get to mine. Unfortunately, I might rack up a few skulls this way, but hey.
Oh, did you find your base already?
I'm almost there.
Hey.
Pretty sure. You should be right over that way. Yeah, there's you. Already? Damn.
What?
Must have only given me an emergency battery for the suit.
Yeah. There is a respawn point.
Point at the auto lathe, yeah?
Auto lathe, yeah. 3 iron and 1 copper.
Perfect, thank you. I'll do that right as soon as I get my stuff. Isn't there a way to like pick this stuff up?
You grab it. You have to be really close to grab the body, then you press R. I really shouldn't do.
Naked dying Cerulean in my, or dead Cerulean in my base. Dead me.
There. No, you got more space.
Okay. Take some fall and some ox and go heat up this furnace. Or 100 steel out of it, get me going. Right? Right.
Yeah. It is almost time.
Time to clock.
10 minutes.
All right. Well, I mean, that'll just be another skull for me. I'm not gonna fret it. You know what I mean? I'll get a spawn location in here first, though.
Alright.
Does the spawn location have to be powered?
I don't know. I haven't done one.
Oh, I don't think it does. It doesn't have any connections.
Alright.
Just power up my base a little bit so I can actually do that, and I will collect the skull for the skull gods later. Maybe take down my solar array so it doesn't get killed.
Oh, yeah. Suppose first things first for you would be to switch to turbines.
I hear you. I wasn't actually planning on having mini turbines.
Oh,
Yeah,
going
I was planning on doing dirty.
Mage's route.
What's Mage's route? I don't know.
Gas fuel generators.
Solid fuel.
Ah. Okay.
I hope to be making enough plant matter eventually that it'll start outpacing charcoal production and using that as my energy source.
Mm.
Does it require a little bit of focusing? Yes. Did I fuck that away today? Yes. Okay. This should be hooked up. No. Well, just fucking hook it up. You don't need it in the right spot right now. Give it a little bit of coal. It doesn't need a whole lot.
Or does it?
I mean, right now, no. When's the next time you plan on being on?
Probably tomorrow.
Okay. Build and respawn. %. Brilliant corpse. Can you go into the furnace? Damn it, why not?
It's too hot in there.
It's not. It's cold. I'll heat it up later. That's not the point. wherever you are.
5 minutes. Yeah.
Keep cruising in 5 minutes. Trying to get stuff done.
Oh, the only thing I don't like about mod pack I'm playing on is that they extremely nerfed Endrayo.
Oh,
So there's no upgrades or any filters for it.
okay.
So you gotta
I
feed
see
it
what you're
directly
saying.
to a locked drawer to act as the filter.
I will fix this survivability thing, and I will take every skull it costs.
Hmm.
Okay, we've got our 3 basic printers built down here.
Nice.
Now to build a auto lathe and some basic components and lock it in a locker.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Oh, that's right. Hmm.
And hopefully that's the last coil I ever print out of your ass. Yay. Where'd our hand drill go? There it is.
Oh, what?
What's up?
I'm at 2% unconscious thing.
How are you at 2% unconscious? Did you have your helmet open or?
No.
Oh shit.
Wait a minute.
Skulls for the
Non-filter
skull throne.
died.
Yeah, that'll do it. see. First run, it should be able to take the 8 oxides and 16 bottles. From empty to start. Yeah.
It's time.
That is amazing timing.
Oh, yeah.
I just seared up off the furnace to start making my steel.
Ah.
So I can catch up to you big boys.
Like all closed off?
Oh hell no, everything's off the floor though.
Ah, but you're
And I'm gonna lock myself in an airlock.
ah, okay. In your previous or your new skull is in a locker?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, have a good night/day for Bill. I suppose, isn't it like nighttime for you, Timmy?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Like gonna be going to sleep after this?
No, I'm a PTSD veteran. I don't sleep
Ah, okay.
much.
You get like a minute a day, and that's all you run by?
3 or 4 hours maybe.
Mm-hmm.
Depending on how nice I'm feeling to myself, you know.
Yeah.
Definitely not how nice the mind is to the body. That's not the key.
Yeah. Well, hey, after stream, I can show you what I've done on that mod pack.
For sure. Oh shoot.
Who is this?
So it looks like Timmy's going Hobbit.
Yeah.
I is.
Um. Didn't last long.
I thought I was gonna do better. I had such a great game plan, and then that freaking storm killed it. You always overlook something, right?
Oh God, yes. I mean that's the nature of the game.
Yeah. Yeah. Uh. There was an open spot like right up above his airlock. So it wasn't a room. And the crate wasn't mounted, so that broke.
All the good stuff. Here comes the dum dum.
So how was your stream, Mage?
It was good. Still a bit of far. Is that what you call sleep? I decided to check in on what was going on, and I saw Timmy was doing Hobbit and had to comment.
Yeah.
But my village is definitely progressing on Asuka. We're getting more and more iron tools going, which is making things easier. I have 2 carpentry shops now up and running. We're building a 3rd because that's the bottleneck right now.
Okay. What season are you in now?
I'm in my 2nd summer.
Ooh.
17 days until the invasion. I have no idea how big the invasion's going to be.
Wasn't last stream
So,
you being in winter?
yes.
So
Uh,
spring must not last long.
no. I mean, last stream it was the end of summer or end of winter, beginning of spring. And then this one was the end of spring, start of summer.
Okay.
And I am wondering how many people can you add in your collaboration? Because I do see you and Timmy are not collaborating.
I did not make it into the airlock, I think, before the game was done. That's okay.
The game's still going.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, I was waiting for you to say when you're ready.
Oh, shit. Well,
Is you ready then? Or
let me get that fucker into the airlock real quick for you. Nah, don't even worry about it. That'd require me loading all the way back in. And everything.
well, in case there's a storm before you join next time.
Yeah, always good
You
to
said
be
you're gonna be
secure.
on tomorrow, right?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure I will be.
Yeah, I'll probably stream with my niece and then after that jump on.
Yeah.
All right.
Go fly over to Magic's and see if you can figure out why they died.
I'm pretty sure it was a weep buy on that. Um, I know that the pressure regulators aren't supposed to, but I've seen them do it. I've seen them overpressurize.
Did the broken pipe say why it broke?
Overpressure.
Overpressurization.
And both of the suit storages were off.
Well, my question is, what was the temperature of the gas coming in?
Mm-hmm.
My guess is
Because
that
It was
the
coming off of his
pipe
oxygen.
pressurizing got hot.
Oxygen canister filler. He was coming off of that.
So, because I noticed they were standard pipes, not insulated pipes.
Those were insulated.
They were insulated?
They were definitely insulated.
Yeah, I remember it being insulated.
Then I must just misremember. Because, like I said, my running theory was, well, if he piped it in cold and it warmed up, that could overpressurize it.
If
But-
you pressurize oxygen at a high enough pressure, it builds heat.
And,
In real life,
In the game too.
no.
if you build, if you pressurize it enough that it condenses, then yes, it will build up heat.
Like the paint
Because anytime,
regulator that was being fed into that pipe was set to 18 megapascal, and the pipe
First time
is
chat.
the one that
Kick, hello.
burst. He is being fed directly from his canister filler, like, yeah. So it
I mean,
warm.
the number one theory on why it broke was because of magic.
Yeah, magic wasn't that far away.
No, his skeleton was right there, and the only reason my body was a corpse is because I logged in.
Because yeah, I just chalk it up to magic in his aura.
Yeah. And uh you did like magic skeleton dancing.
Mm-hmm. That was funny. I still chuckle over the whole fact that I was literally talking about making a med bay the day before that happened.
Yeah.
So I'm at 2 skulls.
Okay,
I have the other one in my locker in my hobbit hole.
I guess I really need to start building the shrine of failure.
And I have decided that since this is the second time someone's tried to help me get started, I would only take what meager needs I needed and suffer the consequences from there.
Well, if you need anything, just ask.
The only thing I'm gonna need is seeds.
Okay, that
Well, thanks for watching. I'll be ending stream now. Yeah. Have a good night, everybody. Thanks for watching.